The F-35B Lightning II is a short takeoff and vertical landing (SOVL) fighter jet that is capable of operating from amphibious assault ships. This makes it a versatile aircraft that can be deployed from a variety of locations, including ships that are closer to shore. In this video, we will take a look at how the F-35B conducts operations from the USS America, an amphibious assault ship. We will discuss the challenges of landing on a moving ship and how the F-35B is equipped to handle them. The F-35B is the only fighter jet in the world that is capable of SOVL operations. This means that it can take off and land without the need for a runway. This makes it a valuable asset for the United States Marine Corps, which often operates from amphibious assault ships. The USS America is an amphibious assault ship that is capable of carrying up to 2,200 Marines and 30 aircraft. It is equipped with a flight deck that is 784 feet long and 160 feet wide. This provides plenty of space for the F-35B to take off and land. Challenges of landing on a moving ship. Landing on a moving ship is a challenging task for any pilot. The ship is constantly moving, and the pilot must compensate for this movement in order to land safely. The F-35B is equipped with a variety of features that make it easier for pilots to land on moving ships. These features include a thrust vectoring system that allows the pilot to control the direction of the aircraft's thrust, a helmet-mounted display that provides the pilot with real-time information about the aircraft's position and orientation, a fly-by-wire flight control system that helps to stabilize the aircraft during landing. How the F-35B lands on a moving ship. The F-35B lands on a moving ship in a series of steps. The pilot approaches the ship at a speed of about 180 knots. The pilot uses the thrust vectoring system to slow the aircraft down and align it with the flight deck. The pilot uses the fly-by-wire flight control system to gently lower the aircraft onto the flight deck. The F-35B can land on a moving ship in a variety of weather conditions, including rain, snow, and fog. The F-35B uses a lift fan to generate lift during vertical takeoff and landing. This lift fan is located in the rear of the aircraft. The F-35B is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine. This engine provides the aircraft with enough thrust to take off vertically from a short runway. The F-35B is armed with a variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and bombs. The F-35B is a versatile and capable fighter jet that is well suited for operations from amphibious assault ships. The challenges of landing on a moving ship are mitigated by the aircraft's advanced features and systems.